Dear veterinarian, welcome to Dr. Vet channel. Today we proceed for question bank number 4 in the subject livestock production and management. Question 1. Domestic animal in which the colostrum contain highest amount of protein and fat. Answer is Eve. Question 2. Milk slip test. How to perform that? The procedure is like this. Answer. Place a drop of milk on a polished vertical surface. The pure milk drop or flows very slowly, leaving a white trail behind. Milk mixed with water will immediately flow down without a trace. Milk slip test is generally performed in the milk recording room immediately when the milk is received from the can. Question 3. Organoleptic test for milk. This is also performed in the milk recording room or when the milk can is received. Here the inspection of surface of milk from the milk can or milk container is done for any abnormal color, presence of dirt and particles or other abnormal things, changing in viscosity of the milk, any abnormal smell by inhalation from milk, etc., to be observed is called as organoleptic test. Question 4. Sexual maturity age in a female camel. Important question. Answer is 4 to 6 years. Question 5. Content of fat of ration of adult non-ruminant. Answer is 15 to 20% fat. Generally, the adult non-ruminant ration should contain more fat. Question 6. Ideal average litter size of goat should be, important question, average 1.5 kg. That should be the litter size of a goat. Question 7. Indian camel breed good for hilly and hot region. Important question. The answer is Mewari camel. Question 8. Why goat require more maintenance than the other animal? Answer is goat has high metabolic rate, so goat require more maintenance ration. Goat is very active. Question 9. What is wool grease or a wool fat or a digrass? Important question. The waxy and grease-like material attached to flesh or wool, and this waxy and grease material is secreted from the skin of a sheep. Question 10. What is wool yolk? The answer is oily material present in unprocessed sheep wool consisting of wool fat, shuint and debris. This material, wool fat, shuint and debris in the sheep wool is called as woolly yolk. Question 11. Relation of livestock unit and body weight. The scientist has decided the answer is one livestock unit is equal to 500 kilogram body weight. That is decided by scientists based on mathematics calculation. Question 12. Content of concentrate and roughage in pig ration. Roughly. Answer is pig ration should contain less roughage and more concentrate content. Question 13. Name the term used for bovine mother with its cow following the mother. Answer is calf at foot. Question 14. Scientist or economist estimated cost and return ratio of a goat. The goat is highly economic animal. It is a poor man's cow. So cost return ratio of goat is 1 to 11. If 1 rupee is spent, the return is 11 rupees. Question 15. Appropriate measurement of the size of a brand number or brand symbol used for branding identification of the animal, large animal. The ideal size should be 7.5 centimeter so that these brand numbers can be easily readable from a distance. At the same time, when brand is performed, if it is small in number, then it causes a necrosis of the skin and healing will be difficult. So, larger the number, more space, and that protects the skin. There are several other purposes also. Question 16. Birth weight of a kid of a small breed of goat. When the breed is small, definitely birth weight is also very less. Answer is 1 to 1.5 kilogram weight of a kid of a small breed of goat. Question 17. Which part or a portion of teeth from which the age of camel is determined? Answer is generally the age of camel is determined by looking to the teeth of a lower jaw. Question 18. What is flushing? Answer: the practice of increasing nutrient feeding and thereby increasing the body condition prior to and during breeding season. Important question. Question 19. Name the bacteria used as an index of pasteurization. Answer is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Important question. Because Mycobacterium tuberculosis generally spread through milk. So milk must be free from Mycobacterium tuberculosis. If Mycobacterium tuberculosis are killed, the pasteurization process is complete. Question 20. Purpose of flushing in sheep or even goat also. The purpose of flushing is to increase the rate of ovulation and lambing rate. What is flushing? We have already seen that increasing nutrient feeding and body condition prior to breeding season. The flushing increases 10 to 20% lambing rate or lambing crop. This is important question. Question 21. Breeding age of bitch. Important question. Generally 1 to 1.5 year. Question 22. Rank of wool production of India in the world. Answer, important question. India is the 9th largest producer of the wool in the world. Our number is number 9. Question 23. Which state of India in which the wool industry is concentrated? More number of industry in particular states. The states are Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat. They are flooded with wool industry. Question 24. What is the global production of share of wool in India? Answer is nearly 2% share of the world production. Question 25. Method of flushing in ewe. We have already seen what is flushing, what is its importance. Now how to do that? Answer is increase feeding of grain, give more grain and give a good pasture approximately 2 to 3 weeks before breeding season, and that gives a good lambing rate. Friends, you observed the video, requested to share this information to needy veterinarian and requested to subscribe this channel to promote and support the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.